What's up, guys? Today I have picked up an iPhone 6s 128 GB on Verizon, which I think is unlocked. The only issue is that it's water damaged. I only paid $27 on eBay. It was on bid and I won the bid, and it came with free shipping. Took a couple of days and now it's here, guys, and let's unbox this. I'm really anxious, and yeah, let's kind of unbox it. So I'm gonna unbox it right here. Um, yeah, man, okay. Let me see if there's some little bit personal information. Let me pause the video real quick. As you can see right here, iPhone 6s, 128 GB, space gray, water damage, won't turn on, 4 parts. And I only got it for $27 free shipping on bid. So the seller, she said that if I was able to get this device turned on, she would be able to give me the password and the iCloud information to have this device find my iPhone off. She says she knows the info, so she said as soon as I turn it on, I'll get the device turned on, she'll give me the info. But that's enough talking. Let's let's get this device. It came with the case. That's not even a case for it, but move this to the side. I think this is for like a 7, I think. Yeah, it's for like a 7, or I don't know. I don't know what kind of case is that. But yeah, we're off track. And she said it was in mint condition. Wow, that is in mint condition. Wow. Yeah, guys, let's see if we can get this to turn on. Like she said, it doesn't come on whatsoever. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna try to change the battery or the screen and see if it's any sign of life. And let's open this device up real quick. So this is actually the inside. It looks pretty clean. I think it just needs a new screen, because right there you can see like it's a little bit rusty right there. So let's see what happens if I swap the screen. But yeah, guys, this is pretty cool so far. So guys, I'm probably just going to do a part 2 for now. I did put a new battery and a different screen. The screen is fully functional. So far, there's no sign of life. So it could be because of a dirty charging port. So yeah, I'm going to actually catch you guys in the next video, probably a part 2. But I'm just going to leave this as is, do some more troubleshooting and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And peace out.